So this machine has been freezing, and this is the fourth time. When you on it within like 5 minutes, then it freezes. But I managed to come to this text manager here to see what is happening or what is running, and it freezes again. But I realized that first I was thinking it was the hard drive, but I realized that no, probably the processor, because looking at it, the processor is it's an i3 10th gen and it's 1.2, and the problem is that it's just two cores, two cores. So it's not being able to take the tax that we've put on the machine. So the processor is not good. It's small, but the memory is not bad. 8 gig is not bad, and the hard drive doesn't have much problem. But I think it's the processor which is the problem, because so when you're doing anything on it, it makes the machine heat and freeze, which is very bad. So this is bad. So it wasn't the hard drive, but I believe it's the processor. It's Asus machine, and I don't think you can use this kind of machine for any heavy work. Thinking of it now, it freezes again. I have to off it, so I'm gonna on it. I'm gonna off it and then on it, and let's see what's gonna happen. So I'll off it. I'm gonna on it. So let me on the machine back, and I've on it. Let me see. You see, it will be fast to boot because it's an SSD in there. I think it's M.2, but see, when you start using it, it will freeze again. So I'm gonna do it, and then you will see what I'm talking about. So it's gonna boot. So here it is, and I was trying to copy a file here because I want to do a reset on it. So let me see if I can copy this file document here. There was a file I was trying to copy, so let me copy them and then paste it on a pen drive, paste it on this drive here. I've already done it, but I don't know what I did because it keeps freezing. So that's about 429 files. So let me just see if it's still it will they have copied. If they have, they will say rewrite or something. So now let me check what is really happening with the machine when I come here, and then I'm gonna go more details, and that's it. And let's see what's happening. Let me minimize it small. So here, look at it. So performance, you see, this is what I'm talking about. You see the processor? Even I'm just copying this machine on. I'm just doing copy here. So look at it. Just doing a little copy of about less than. Okay, so let me do replacement here. This is about 1 gig of data that I'm copying from the machine to a pen drive. And look at what is happening here. See the processor. But when I come here, I don't know, these are the only apps that is running here, but there are other things running here. That's those background processing software apps working here. But if I come here, look at it, it's the processor which is crying here. The hard drive is okay, the memory is okay, the graphics is also okay. It's just the processor is because it's 1.2 gigahertz, and is a 2-core processor, so it's like 4.4, 2.4, and that if you're gonna calculate the logical processor too, then I can say it's probably 4.8 or something. But that is not that's not good, because you can see the processor is really struggling to just do a little copy like this, running 100%. So you gotta be careful when you're buying a machine. Always check your processor before you do your purchase, because I don't recommend 1.2 for. I mean, I haven't even done anything. There's not even nothing installed. Let me show you something. When I come to the, okay, it's not working again. You see, it's not working again. It's not working again. I said it. That's what they keep doing. So I don't know. I don't know. I probably thought of the drive, but it's not. Since the processor, there's nothing I can do. I can do only a reset and then see what's gonna happen. Maybe somebody might have installed there was an app from the web or something. I don't know. But this is what is happening to it. And Let's see if we can sort it out. If we would sort it out, that'd be good, but let's see.